I can't say I've ever spent more than like £4 on AliExpress at any one time. I usually just buy like stupid small stuff like SD card readers or microphone windscreens. Stuff that's not really that important and you don't mind waiting 3 months for it to arrive. But I was in need of some new earphones, and I just so happened to type aliexpress.com into Firefox at exactly the right time to get a deal on these. Now, I am a big fan of wireless technology, and the thing that annoys me most about headphones is always the cable. It's either too short or too long, it doesn't have the right connector for whatever device you're using, it gets tangled up in all kinds of stuff. No, I can't be bothered with that. So I just got these. The X3s are a set of true wireless stereo earbuds from Edifier. They feature Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX technology for high quality, low latency sound. Now, I got them as part of the AliExpress World Premiere thing, and I think all that meant was I got a little grey bag, a few stickers, and a sleeve over the cardboard box, which didn't even show the right colour of earphones I got, and the word true was misspelled. The little grey bag and the stickers came separately from everything else, but inside the box you got the earbuds in their charging case, small and large pairs of silicone tips, the earbuds have the medium ones installed already, the instruction manual and a micro USB cable for charging. I'm kind of indifferent about the micro USB cable. A lot of people seem enraged and up in arms that we could be using such ancient technology in 2020, but it works. We don't need Type-C for everything. It's important to note that the charging might not work how you would expect it to. So in order to charge the earbuds, you first have to charge the charging case and then charge the earbuds via the charging case. You'll know when your earbuds are charging because their LEDs will light up red. Each charge should give the earbuds about 6 hours of playback time, and you can charge the earbuds about 3 times off one charge of the charging case. I feel like I've said charge way too many times now, it's just lost all meaning. Using the X3s is fairly straightforward. Just take them out of the case to turn them on, pair them to your phone, and play music. They don't have any physical buttons, so you just tap them when you want to do something. Tap once to play or pause, tap twice to go to the next track, tap 3 times to go to the previous track, and long press to activate your phone's smart assistant. If you want to turn them off, you can long press for 5 seconds, or just put them back in the case. I really like them. They're not too uncomfortable to wear, and I don't think you look too much like a knob wearing them. They're also water resistant, but not waterproof. Don't get those two mixed up. You'll be okay to wear them outside in the rain, but don't go diving with them. So, in total, I paid $21.99 as part of the AliExpress World Premiere amazing event thing. Wow. And it did actually turn out they gave you a bit more than a grey bag. The price was a bit lower, but not by much, because they're only selling for about $25 now. My only problem with truly wireless earbuds is that they always remind me of those earpod things that the Cybermen put in people's ears. And I always just imagine pulling one out and my brain's gonna come with it.
It goes inside the brain!
But at $25, these earbuds are pretty good for the price. I can't imagine a better set of earbuds for $25. That price does only apply if you buy them direct from China though. If you want to get them quicker, you can buy them on Amazon or eBay for around $40 or $50. That's about 30 or 40 pounds.